Good morning, dear children. Today we will study the logarithmic differentiation, means how to differentiate a given function using log. Suppose we have a function y equal to fx, which is of the form ux to the power vx, and we want to differentiate it. We can do it by taking log of both sides. Then it becomes log y equal to vx log ux, because log of m to the power n is n log n. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get 1 by y divided by dx, because first of all you have to differentiate it with respect to y, and then differentiation of y with respect to x. And on the right hand side we use the product rule. So first function vx as it is, differentiation of second. So differentiation of log ux is 1 by ux, but because log of differentiation of log x is 1 by x, but here it is in place of x we have a function of x ux, so we have to use chain rule and multiply it with the differentiation of ux, that is u dash x, plus derivative of first function, that is v dash x, into second function as it is, that is log ux. Then we can transpose this y on the right hand side, and we can find the derivative of y with respect to x. So uh, when we have a function of this form ux to the power vx, or we have a complicated function which is involving product or quotient of two or more functions, we can use this way of finding the differentiation by taking the log of the given function. So let us do some questions based on it. Differentiate the function with respect to x. Here we have a product of three functions, cos x, cos 2x and cos 3x. So we can use the logarithmic differentiation here. We will take log on both sides. Then here it becomes log y equal log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x, because we have log mnp is equal to log m plus log n plus log p. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. So on the left hand side we will first differentiate with respect to y, and then using chain rule we multiply it with dy by dx. On the right hand side we have the differentiation of log cos x becomes 1 by cos x, because derivative of log x is 1 by x. But here we are not having x only, we have a function of x, so we use chain rule and multiply it with the derivative of cos x. Similarly in the second one, 1 by cos 2x dy dx of cos 2x, chain rule apply किया यहाँ भी second term के लिए भी. And next one is log cos 3x, so 1 by cos 3x into dy dx of cos 3x. Now derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and the derivative of cos 2x is minus sin 2x into dy dx of 2x. Again here we have used the chain rule, because here it is a function of x, not simply a x, so we have used the chain rule here. And similarly in the third term, derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x multiplied by dy dx of 3x. And the derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of 3x is 3. So we get here minus, it becomes minus 10x, because sin x divided by minus sin x divided by cos x, it becomes minus 10x. Here it becomes my derivative of 2x is 2, and it becomes minus 10 2x. So we have minus 10x, minus 2, 10 2x, minus 3, 10 3x. So we can write dy by dx is equal to minus y, minus can be taken common, from all the three terms. So multiplied with 10x plus 2 10x plus 3 10 3x, and then substitute the value of y, which is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Next one is under root of x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Here it is a complicated function. Complicated function, so we can use the log to differentiate it. We can write it as power half by removing this under root sign. So we can have taking log y is equal to half log of this term, and here in the numerator we have a product of two terms, so log we will use log mn is equal to log m plus log n, so it becomes log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2, and it is divided by the product of these terms. So then we use log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. So all these three terms will be subtract in after the minus sign, that is minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. Then we differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of log y, first differentiate with respect uh, to y and then chain rule. So then differentiate y with respect to x. So log y का differentiation 1 by y, और फिर y का differentiation x के respect में dy by dx equal to, on the right hand side we have log x minus 1, so its differentiation is 1 upon x minus 1, ठीक है, and multiplied with differentiation of x minus 1 which is 1. Similarly here also differentiation of log x minus 2 is 1 upon x minus 2, because differentiation of log x is x 1 by x, and then multiply with differentiation of x minus 2. Similarly in the other terms. So we get differentiation of x minus 1 is 1. Here also it is 1. Here also 1. In all the term it is 1. So we get dy by dx equal to y by 2. Y को transpose किया, multiplied by 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 and so on. Then substitute the value of y and we get the result. Next one is log x to the power cos x. यहाँ base भी function of x है और power भी function of x है. So we will take log of both the sides. So log y becomes cos x log of log x. So now differentiate with respect to x. We get 1 upon y dy by dx equal, on the right hand side we will use product rule. So first function cos x as it is multiplied by differentiation of second plus second function as it is multiplied by differentiation of the first one, and the differentiation of log x becomes 1 upon log x, then multiplied with the derivative of this log x. So we get cos x by log x multiplied by 1 by x. In the second term, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so the second term will be minus sin x log of log x. Then transpose y on the right hand side and substitute the expression for y, we get the derivative. So that's all for today. Thank you.